Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if touchpad is not working on your Dell laptop or any of the laptop that you have on your window or any of the laptop that you are using or in any windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So in this case, we can't use our touchpad, so it's just on our keyboards and or an external mouse. So I am using an external mouse currently. So I will be using this to show you how we can fix this issue. So first is we need to make sure that touchpad is not disabled on our Windows. So go ahead in the Windows search bar. Then you need to simply type touchpad settings. Now click on that under the best match. And here you'll find touchpad. Make sure this button is switched on. Again, you need to make sure the button is switched on. And then you have to close from this window once that is enabled. Next method is we can also run the hardware troubleshooter. So how can we do that? You just need to simply press the Windows key and letter R button together and simply type this command that I'm going to show to you. So it is msdt.exe space dash id space device diagnostics. The same thing as what you can see on the screen. It's msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostics. Click on OK. Now this window will appear. Now, in my case, this is not enabled for the version of my Windows. But in your case, you will find the hardware troubleshooter. So you just need to simply run the hardware troubleshooter by entering the command msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostics for the version of your Windows. Next method, we need to update our touchpad driver. So make a right click at the start button and select device manager. Here in the device manager window, you need to locate the human interface devices. Here you can find your touchpad driver. All you have to do is make a right click, select update driver, then you can go with search automatically for drivers if you are connected to an internet connection. But if not, you can go on with browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers from my computer and simply choose one by one from here as to what driver will work for you. So once that is done, you can click on next and Windows will successfully update your driver for you. Then for the next method, if that didn't help you, then you can need to, or you can simply go back to the same device manager window, locate your touchpad driver, make a right click and then select uninstall device, click on uninstall. Then once you have uninstalled the device, you need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. After restarting, that will reinstall the driver on your Windows and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. Now for the final method, just the basic one, because this is an additional solution, is you need to make sure your Windows is updated to the latest version. Click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Click on Windows Update on the left pane and simply click this button right here because once our Windows is updated, we can rarely face an issue with it. So we need to make sure that our Windows operating system is up to date. Once done, close from here. And that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.